Those people who specializing in standardized operation procedures for more effective organization development without knowing actually are referring to those teachings from Confucius. More than 2,500 years ago, Confucius left us a lot of valuable knowledge, reminders, wisdoms, how to become a better person and organization, as a nation as well. So today I would like to share with you one particular chapter in the 论语, 底蕴大同篇, the great unity. The first few sentences, that's how it began. 大道之行也，天下为公. When walking on the great path toward the lights, without knowing, we encourage the unity of the world equally. 选贤与能, elect talents based on capabilities and personalities and empower them appropriately based on capabilities. 讲信修睦, to restore the honesty, honor in the society and restore the harmony community relationship between people. Only few sentences indicate what a leader. It does not matter which organization, how big or small, even in the family, what is the right way to do, what is the right attitude and behaviors to encourage in order to build a better and brighter future, not only for ourselves, but really for the generations afterward. That is the reason why those teachings from Confucius and his students and followers and following philosophers further enlightened the philosophy to create such a glory, history and learning in Chinese history. We are not great. We just continue to learn. That's all.